Hey everyone, rainy Tuesday evening. I had a really long day. Someone went crazy on a post I shared on Facebook, and this person hadn't posted on my Facebook page in years. And it was amazing to me the amount of energy and the amount of anger that this guy posted. And he was this way the last time he posted years ago on my post, my feed, whatever. And it is amazing to me how much energy he spent needing to prove himself right, needing to share his anger. It's you can feel the anger. And it reminded me of a couple things. One, if you're doing this, if you're going to people's pages to argue and you were right and rah, 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 why are you expending all that energy to do that? It, on a good note, turned out I had a civil conversation with someone who we don't see things the same way. But it's like, hey, if you have a fact and this worked for you, then I'm down with that. And so I'm going to be taking a break from Facebook. I'm going to stay on Instagram. But the thing is, it reminded me that I've got some emotional clutter to clear, because if someone is that angry coming into my space, then that's an indication to say, hey, Julie, you've got some anger to clear. So I would just say to you, notice what's coming in your space. And if you're spending all your time fighting with people and people you haven't talked in years and haven't on the Facebook page, it's time to do some self-examination. I'm taking a break because I can't muster any compassion or empathy for someone who obviously is in such pain and hurting that they need it the most. So just a little Tuesday thought for you.